This is Gab with DS Diving. It is August 24th, 2026 here at Mandarin Holiday Marina. Just getting the hull clean video for vitamin D. Let's take a look. Yes, sir.